Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to find your Binance Smart Chain or BSC wallet address on MEXC. So let's get started. First, open your MEXC app and make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on Wallet at the bottom menu. Next, choose Deposit. This is where you will find your wallet address. Now go to on-chain deposit. In the search bar at the top, type USDT. I can see USDT in the top of the list since that's the most common token people transfer on BSC. So I will just go with it. Now here's the important part. Select the BEP20 BSC network. This makes sure you are getting the correct Binance Smart Chain address. Once you select BEP20, MEXC will show you your BSC deposit address as a string of letters and numbers along with a QR code. Just tap copy and you are ready to paste it into Trust Wallet or any other crypto wallet. And that's it. You have found your Binance Smart Chain wallet address on MEXC. Always double check that you select BEP20 BSC before sending to avoid losing your funds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.